Hello students, good morning to all. Today we will be studying the chapter number 17 and the name of the chapter is Tejal in Ahmedabad. I came to Ahmedabad a month ago for my mother's treatment. My mother has been admitted in the hospital. This is a story of a girl named Tejal and she had come to Ahmedabad a month ago. એટલે એક મહિના પહેલાં એ અમદાવાદ આવેલી for her mother's treatment and her mother is admitted in the hospital. The big city Ahmedabad. I have slowly got used to the city. I still remember the day when my mother and I got off the train at the Ahmedabad station. It was so crowded. I quickly caught hold of my mother's hand. Tejal says that she still remembers the day when she had first come to Ahmedabad. When they got down at the station was very crowded. બહુ લોકોથી ભરાયેલું હતું station. And she quickly caught her mother's hand. I was thinking about how Mama would find us in the crowd. Just then I heard someone calling loudly from behind, Tejal, Tejal. I turned back and there was Mama. We left the station and were soon on our way to Mama's house. Then, when Tejal and her mother were waiting at the station, Tejal thought, how could her mama find her in such a lot of crowd? Then she heard someone calling her, and to her surprise, it was Mama. Then Tejal, Mama, and Tejal's mother left the station and they went towards Mama's house. But it was very crowded everywhere. There were many huts lined up all along the narrow street. We walked through the street to reach Mama's house. Mama, Mami, and their two daughters and a son all live in one room. Now I too live here with them. It is here that we sit, sleep, cook, and wash all in one. Then Tejal says that it was very crowded everywhere. There were many huts up along a narrow street. Huts એટલે બહુ બધી ઝૂંપડીઓ હતી એક સાંકરા રસ્તાની આજુબાજુ. We walked through the street to reach Mama's house. ને એ લોકો સાંકરા રસ્તા પરથી ચાલીને મામાના ઘર સુધી પૂગ્યા. Mama, Mami, their two daughters and a son. They all lived in one room. And now Tejal also lives there with them only. My house in the village also has only one room, but we have separate places for cooking and for bathing. We also have a courtyard outside. Then Tejal talks about her house in her village. She says that even we all stay in one room, but we have separate places for cooking and bathing. And they also have a courtyard. એટલે બર એમ બાગીચા જેવું પણ છે નલ્લું. Water, water. Rutwa Mami and I get up at 4 o'clock every morning and go to the public tap to fill water. Oh no, you won't believe how many fights are there for water. If we are just a little late, then we are not able to fill for the day. There is no tap in our house in the village too. Then Tejal says that there is a lot of fighting for water. Tejal and her mommy get up at 4 o'clock every day and they go to the public tap to fill water for the day. And there are a lots of fight over there. And by chance, if they are late someday, then they do not have water for that day. The pond in the village has water. It takes 20 minutes to walk to it. In summer, sometimes the water in the pond dries up. Then we have to walk for almost an hour to the river to get water. Tejal talks about her village. She says that in her village there is no tap. They go to a pond to fill water. Pond એટલે તળાવ. It takes 20 minutes for them to reach there. But in summer, sometimes the pond dries up. તળાવનું પાણી સુકાઈ જાય ગરમીના મૌસમમાં. Then they have to walk for an hour to reach the river to get water. But in the village, there were no fights for water. In the streets where Mama lives, there is a toilet at one end Everyone in the street uses that toilet. It is always very dirty and smells so bad. Then Tejal says that there were no fights for water in her village. And then she talks about the toilet which is at the end of the street where mamas live. રસ્તાના એકદમ નાકે એક જ ટોયલેટ છે ખાલી જ્યાં મામા રહેતા. And everyone who stays in that street uses the same toilet, and she says that it is very dirty and it smells very bad. In the beginning, I felt like vomiting. At times, there is no water. We have to take water with us. Now I'm getting used to all this. In the village, people go to the open places or fields for toilet. The men and women go to different places. Tejal says that in the beginning she used to feel like vomiting when she used to see the toilet. And sometimes there used to be no water over there. They had to take water with them as well. And now Tejal is getting used to all this. હવે તેજલને આદત પડે છે એ બધી વસ્તુઓની. She says in her village, people used to go to fields for toilet. Men and women go to different places. Every day I go to the hospital by bus to see my mother. At first I was too scared to get into such crowded buses. I was not at all used to it. I was afraid. Tejal says that she goes to the hospital by a bus, and at first she used to be very scared. પહેલાં એને બહુ ડર લાગતો આવી બધી ક્રાઉડેડ એવું બહુ ભરેલી બસીસને જોઈને. And she used to be very afraid. But now it is not like that. I know how to stand in line, how much to pay for the ticket, where to get down. But now Tejal doesn't get afraid because she knows how to stand in the line, how much she has to pay for the ticket, and where she has to get down. કેટલા ટિકિટના પૈસા આપવાના, ક્યાંથી ચડવાનું, ક્યાં ઉતરવાનું, હવે બધું ખબર છે તેજલને. Where we stay, there is a tall building nearby. My mommy works in 7 houses there. She washes utensils and cleans the houses. Where Tejal stays, there is a tall building nearby, and mommy works in that building in 7 houses. She cleans the utensils and the houses. One day I went there with her. When I first saw the building, I thought that it was one big house, but I found that there were many houses, one on top of another. I was wondering how I would climb so many stairs, but there was a lift to take people up and down. Then one day she went to that building with her mommy. When she first saw the building, she thought that it was one big house, and then she came to know that there are different houses in this building. બિલ્ડિંગમાં અલગ અલગ ઘર હોય ને, બધાને ખબર છે ને તમને. Then she thought that how can she climb so many stairs? આટલી બધી સીડી ચડીને ઉપર કેવી રીતે જશે એવું એને સોચ્યું. પછી એને ખબર પડ્યું કે બિલ્ડિંગમાં તો લિફ્ટ છે જે લોકોને ઉપર અને નીચે લઈ આવે. It was like a big iron cage with fan, light and even a bell. So many of us got into the lift. Somebody pressed the button and lift went up quickly. Really, I was very scared in the beginning. પછી તેજલ કેજ કે લિફ્ટ કેવી હતી? It was like a big iron cage. જેમાં ફેન હતો, લાઇટ હતી ને બેલ પણ હતી. Everyone got into the lift. Someone pressed the button and the lift went up quickly. ફટાકથી લિફ્ટ ઉપર ચાલી જાય. And Tejal was very scared at the beginning. પહેલાં એને બહુ ડર લાગતો હતો લિફ્ટથી. Another house. Mommy took me first to Harsh's house. His house was on the 12th floor. What a big house. So many rooms. One to sit in, one to eat in, one to sleep in, and one to cook in. Then Mommy took Tejal to Harsh's house, where she used to work. Harsh's house was on the 12th floor, and there were different rooms for everything. for sleeping, sitting, eating, cooking, everything. Their toilet was also in the house. It took Mommy a lot of time to clean Harsh's house, but she could work easily. There was a tap in the kitchen and water flowed from it. There was a different toilet also in Harsh's house. And Mommy used to work a lot and it took a lot of time. But she worked quickly and easily as there was water in the kitchen. Harsh has put a bucket below the tap to fill water for his bath. Then he sat down to watch TV. So much water was wasted. I did not like it. I went and closed the tap. Then Tejal says that Harsh put a bucket below the tap to fill the water for his bath. And then he went and watched TV. And the water kept on running and so much water wasted. Tejal went there and she closed the tap. Harsh's house has big glass windows. Mommy told me to look down from the window. I could see Mama's street and the houses, but I could not make out which one was his house. From up there, everything below looked like small toys. I was quite afraid to look down from such a height. There were glass windows. કાચની બારીઓ હતી હર્ષની ઘરમાં. Then Mommy told Tejal to look down from the window. Tejal could see Mama's street and the houses. But she could not find out which house was Mama's house. And everything looked like small toys. બધું જ નલ્લા રમકડા જેવું દેખાતું હતું 12th floor પરથી તેજલને. And she was very afraid from such a height. A new trouble. Mama has said that he would take me around to see Ahmedabad. The children around here talk a lot about riverfront. Mama told Tejal that he would take her to see Ahmedabad. And there are the children talk about the riverfront. Riverfront એટલે riverની જે બાજુની જગ્યા હોય એને riverfront કહેવાય. There are telling that big film stars, leaders and sportsperson also come there. Maybe when I go there, I might see someone there. Tejal says that many people say that film stars, leaders and sportsperson, they all come to that riverfront. And she says that maybe I can see someone when I go there. These days, Mama is so worried. I cannot ask him to take me to the riverfront. Last week, some people had come with a notice that everyone should move out of this place. Mama is very worried. એટલે મામા બહુ ટેન્શનમાં છે હમણાં થોડા દિવસોથી. And Tejal cannot tell him to take her to the riverfront. Last week, some people had come with a notice. કોઈ લોકો આવેલા નોટિસ લઈને મામાના ઘરે કે આ જગ્યા ખાલી કરવી પડશે. બધાએ ઘર છોડવા પડશે અહીંયાથી. This place belongs to the government, so it should be vacated. Mama is saying that this is the third time in the last 10 years that he got such notices. People who live here have been given another place to make their houses. This place where Mama lives belongs to the government. એટલે ગવર્મેન્ટની જગા છે એ and it should be vacated. એટલે ખાલી કરાવવાની છે. Then Mama is saying that in the last 10 years, this is the third time he got such notices. જે people અહીંયા રહેતા છે એ લોકો બધાને બીજી જગા આપે છે રહેવા માટે. But it is a little far. પણ એ જગા થોડી દૂર છે. Mama will have to spend more money and time to reach at his workplace. Mommy will have to find some other work. How will I be able to visit my mother? Yet mother is not completely well. Then Mama has to spend more money and time to reach his workplace. જો મામા હમણાં કામ કરતા છે એનાથી દૂર છે પેલું નવું વાળું ઘર મળશે તો વધારે પૈસા અને ટાઈમ જશે પૂગવા માટે વર્કપ્લેસ પર. મામીને પણ બીજા જોબ શોધવા પડશે ને પછી તેજલ કેવી રીતે જશે હોસ્પિટલ દરરોજ મમ્મીને મળવા માટે. તો આ બધું ટેન્શન છે. એન્ડ યેટ મધર ઇઝ નોટ કમ્પ્લીટલી વેલ. ને હજી પણ તેજલની મમ્મીની તબિયત તો સારી થઈ જ નથી. 1 મહિનો થઈ ગયો તો પણ. So I hope my students have understood the story of Tejal, how she first came to Ahmedabad, what were her experiences over here, how she looked everything, how she went to the different houses, to the riverfront and etc. Thank you. Goodbye.